Probiotics are made up of microorganisms like yeast and bacteria, which are naturally found in the stomach, intestines, and vagina. Conditions like antibiotic use or travel can disrupt the normal balance of these microorganisms, leading to digestive issues. Probiotics are used to improve digestion and restore the normal balance of flora in the body. These probiotics can be used to treat various issues such as diarrhea, irritable bowel syndrome, eczema, vaginal yeast infections, lactose intolerance, and urinary tract infections. They can be consumed in the form of foods like yogurt, milk, juices, and soy beverages, or as dietary supplements like capsules, tablets, and powders. It's important to check the label for information on how to use your particular product. It's also worth noting that some dietary supplement products may contain harmful impurities or additives, so it's always a good idea to check with your pharmacist for more details about the specific brand you're using. Lastly, it's important to consult with your doctor or pharmacist for more information, as the FDA has not reviewed this product for safety or effectiveness. When taking Up4 Probiotics Adult 50 plus 25 billion cell capsule antidiarrheal formulations with gut flora microorganisms, it's important to follow the directions on the product package. Depending on the specific product, the dose may need to be swallowed whole, chewed, sprinkled onto food, or mixed with liquid. If using the liquid form, be sure to measure the dose carefully with a special measuring device/spoon, not a household spoon. Some probiotic products contain live bacteria, such as bifidobacteria. If you're taking antibiotics, it's important to take any product containing live bacteria at least 2 to 3 hours before or after taking antibiotics, to prevent interference with the probiotic product. If you're using this product to treat diarrhea due to antibiotics, do not continue use if you have a high fever or for more than 2 days, unless directed by your doctor. In these cases, it's important to seek medical treatment right away. It's also important to seek medical help if your condition lasts or worsens, or if you believe you have a serious medical problem. If you experience an increase in stomach gas or bloating, make sure to consult your doctor or pharmacist. Serious side effects include signs of infection, such as a persistent cough, high fever, or chills, so be sure to inform your doctor immediately. While a serious allergic reaction to this product is rare, seek medical help if you notice symptoms such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. It's important to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects. If you are in the US, you can report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before taking Up4 Probiotics Adult 50 plus 25 billion cell capsule antidiarrheal formulations with gut flora microorganisms, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies, or if you have certain health conditions such as prolonged diarrhea, a weakened immune system, recurring vaginal or urinary tract infections, diabetes, or phenylketonuria. It's also important to inform your doctor about all the products you use before having surgery. If you're pregnant, only use this product if necessary and under the guidance of your doctor. If you're breastfeeding, consult your doctor before using this product. It's important to be aware of potential interactions between probiotics and other medications. Always consult with your doctor or pharmacist before starting or stopping any medications. Some medications that may interact with certain probiotics include antibiotics and antifungals. Be sure to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your healthcare professionals. Never change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. If someone has taken too much of this medication and has severe symptoms such as fainting or difficulty breathing, it is important to seek immediate medical help. In the US, you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, you can call a provincial poison control center. Remember to follow up with your medical appointments and lab tests as directed by your healthcare provider. It's worth noting that some brands may include additional ingredients like fiber or inulin. If you're unsure about the ingredients in your specific brand, it's best to consult with your doctor or pharmacist. If you forget to take a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it's close to the time for your next dose, just skip the missed dose. Take your next dose at the usual time. Don't take double the dose to make up for the missed one. When it comes to storing probiotics, it's important to follow the instructions on the product package. Some probiotics need to be refrigerated, while others don't. If you're unsure about how to store your probiotics, you can always ask your pharmacist for guidance. And remember to keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to discarding probiotics, make sure not to flush them down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless instructed to do so. Instead, properly discard the product when it's expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the best way to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.